Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Make Money Online. We're here with an amazing new video where we're going to share with you a 100% genuine way to make money online. If you're jobless or want to earn money and be your own boss, then watch this complete video. And don't forget to like and share, and also hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get notified of our latest informative videos and updates. So let's get started. There are a number of websites which claim they can make you money online, but if you're looking for a real and guaranteed way to earn hundreds of dollars daily, then you just have to follow these basic steps which I'm going to tell you now. Watch this video until the end, and I'll tell you about some special tricks as well. Remember, you don't need to be an expert here because it's a very simple and easy thing to do. All you need is just an active and good internet connection and a laptop or smartphone. Or you can use a low-end computer, and you can earn from $100 to $500 a day with just a little bit of hard work. You can use this method anywhere in the world to make so much money online. So what are you waiting for? Just grab your laptop or phone. Okay, so just open your browser and simply click on the address bar and type thefreeadforum.com. Many people are earning money this way, and what you're going to do is get commission on advertisements and marketing some products. Now what you have to do first of all is just create a free account. So click on Register an account for free. Just simply sign up here by putting in your details. After creating your account, they will send you an email with an activation link. Simply log in after activating your account. Now let me tell you what this website actually is. This is a website which gives you a large number of visits per day, and you can post your ads here for free. So many people are using this website already, and they're posting so many ads here, as you can see here. So now let's move on to the next step of this method. Now what you have to do is just open another website in a new tab, which is clickbank.com. You also have to create an account here as well, if you don't already have one. You can also search for alternatives for clickbank.com, which are readily available. It doesn't matter which one you're using, but the fact is, you need a product which you can market and earn commissions on. After signing in, a page will come up like this one. Now you can see the option in this row, e-business and e-marketing. Click on that. Now move on to the next page, and you can see an option of average sales right here. Now just click on this one and increase it to maximum. Here you'll see so many products available which we can market and earn commissions on. Remember, we need a product through which we can get maximum commissions. If you scroll down here, you can see how much average commission we can make from each sale. Okay, now we can only see the products through which we can get maximum commission. We can promote anyone we want. So now click on this red button, Now Promote. A window like this will appear on your screen. Simply open this link right here, and this will take you to another website. Here you can see the option of creating a hope link. So click right here and generate your hope links now. Now just copy this link, and you'll earn a commission every time someone purchases the product using your link. Now go back to the free ads forum window, and simply go and publish an ad. Now when you click on the option, a window will appear. You can see here some question boxes you need to fill out first. Click on Select a category, and then select which is most suitable for you. You can just select Work from Home for now. Now just put a title here in the title box, and remember you have to choose the title for every product. For now, I'm just writing Make Money Online or XYZ or whatever. And here, we need to add a description in the description box according to the product we select. And after that, also put the product link at the end of the description like this. You can write Join Us and paste the product link, or you can write Click here and also paste the product link. You can also see right here that there are so many other options that need to be filled out. Now add your location information. Here add your country name, click on this box and select yours. Now we can see there's a region option, select where you're from. Now put the link you've copied of your product here in the space for website link. Put the link in the price section as well. The more you put the link and someone clicks on it, the more chances for you to earn. so place this link in as many places as you can. There are many other options, but you don't need to give your personal information here, so no need to fill out all these boxes. Let's just go to the next step. Now scroll down here and you can see here are some options above the Publish button. And you have to select one of these. You can post a link to some premium packages as well when you start earning more, so it's not a bad idea to spend a little bit on it. But for now, we select the No Thanks option and now publish this ad for free. You'll be sent a confirmation email after publishing with the link to your ad. Here's our ad. This is now visible to everyone who visits the website. The best thing about this site is thousands of people visit the website daily, which means there are many chances for you to earn from this site. Now it's time to tell you about some special secret tricks on how you can get the maximum number of sales. What you need to do to increase your sales is share this link with as many people as you can. The more people your product link reaches, the more beneficial it is for you. First of all, you can get many emails from this website. Collect them all and send them the email with your product link. And if anyone buys through your link, you will get the commission. It totally depends on your dedication, and you can earn as much as you want. You can also share this link on other social media platforms. You can share it in Facebook groups to reach the maximum number of people with your referral link, or you can post it on your LinkedIn profile. It's a 100% genuine method for you to make the maximum amount of money online. So you can use it without any kind of hesitation because you don't need to spend any money on it to start. So what are you waiting for? Use this simple method now and earn a handsome amount by sitting at home using your laptop or phone. I hope that this video is helpful for you and that you start earning like many other people are doing right now. If you have any more questions related to this video or this method, be sure to leave a comment below. Do like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates. And as always, thanks for watching.
It's caught in the crossfire.